Good evening, folks. Today we're going to do a graduation cap project, and I got drafted into this because my daughter's graduating tomorrow. So that's what happens when you're an artist. But this should be fun. I broke this down in a few steps. Let's see where it takes us. Okay, so we already got some pre-work done. The first thing that I did was I cut this glitter paper to size that my daughter absolutely loved. And I even cut out the hole so that it'll fit nice and snugly on the cap. What we're going to do first and foremost, because she has these beads that's going to go around the edge, and I don't think these beads with this silver creates enough contrast. So we're going to take some black paint, and I'm going to draw some nice thick strips across the edges so that we have some contrast for these beads to stick out. So let's start with that first. Okay, let's stop here. Let's let this dry, and we'll go to the next step. this is the end result. I think it came out pretty good. There were some green beads that my daughter wanted to put on here, but they were just too small and a little too cumbersome to put on there, so I didn't include them. But yeah, I think this came out pretty good. She absolutely loved it, and I like it too. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Yahweh bless, and have an awesome and great day.